Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of green tea and uncovering some incredible health benefits you might not know about. Imagine this, a warm, soothing beverage that not only invigorates your senses, but also provides a powerhouse of health-boosting properties. That's green tea for you. So, grab a cup of your favorite green tea. Sit back, relax, and let's explore the amazing world of green tea and how it can transform your health. Let's kick things off with the incredible antioxidant power of green tea. Now, you've probably heard the term antioxidants thrown around a lot, but trust me, they're a big deal. Think of antioxidants as your body's very own superhero squad, fighting off harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals are like tiny troublemakers that can damage your cells and increase the risk of diseases like cancer and heart disease. Green tea is brimming with a special type of antioxidant called catechins, with EGCG being the superstar of the group. EGCG is incredibly potent and has been linked to a wide range of health benefits, which we'll delve into throughout this video. From fighting inflammation to protecting your heart, EGCG is like a multitasking guardian angel for your body. And the best part? You can easily reap these benefits by simply sipping on a delicious cup of green tea. So, next time you're brewing yourself a cup, remember that you're not just enjoying a drink, but also giving your body a powerful dose of protective antioxidants. Feeling a bit foggy or sluggish? Green tea to the rescue. Green tea enhances brain function, making you feel more alert and focused. The secret lies in its unique compounds. It contains caffeine, a natural stimulant. Plus, L-theanine promotes relaxation without drowsiness. Together, they create calm focus and enhanced cognitive performance. Incorporate a cup or two into your daily routine and experience the brain-boosting power of this incredible beverage. Let's talk about weight management. Green tea can be a valuable ally in shedding extra pounds. It boosts metabolism and increases fat burning. Remember EGCG, the powerful antioxidant? It enhances fat breakdown and oxidation. Green tea also increases thermogenesis, burning more calories. Boost your metabolic rate with green tea. It's not a magic potion, but a supportive friend in your weight loss journey. Cancer is a complex disease that affects millions worldwide. While green tea is not a cure for cancer, studies suggest that its powerful compounds may play a role in cancer prevention. The high concentration of antioxidants, particularly EGCG in green tea, has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. These antioxidants work by protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to cancer development. Research has shown promising results regarding the potential benefits of green tea in reducing the risk of cancers such as breast cancer, prostate cancer, colorectal cancer, and lung cancer. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved, the evidence so far is encouraging. It's important to remember that cancer prevention is a multifaceted approach that involves a healthy lifestyle, regular screenings, and early detection. However, incorporating green tea into your diet could be a simple yet powerful way to potentially reduce your risk. As always, consult with your doctor to discuss your individual cancer risk and the best preventative measures for you. As we age, it's natural for our cognitive function to decline. However, there are things we can do to support brain health and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive disorders, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Green tea, with its potent antioxidant and neuroprotective properties, has emerged as a potential champion in the fight against cognitive decline. Studies suggest that regular green tea consumption may help protect brain cells from damage, improve memory, and slow down cognitive aging. The antioxidants in green tea, especially EGCG, have been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, providing direct protection to brain cells. They combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two major culprits in neurodegenerative diseases. Furthermore, green tea may also enhance the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons, the building blocks of your brain. By incorporating green tea into your daily routine, you're not just nourishing your body, but also investing in the long-term health and vitality of your brain. Believe it or not, green tea isn't just good for your overall health. It can also work wonders for your oral hygiene. That's right, this incredible beverage can help you maintain a healthy, sparkling smile. Green tea contains natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that can inhibit the growth of bacteria in your mouth, the main culprits behind plaque buildup, cavities, and gum disease. The catechins in green tea, particularly EGCG, have been shown to effectively fight against Streptococcus mutans, a type of bacteria known to cause tooth decay. By reducing the levels of these harmful bacteria, green tea helps create a healthier environment in your mouth. Moreover, green tea can also help freshen your breath. Its natural compounds neutralize odor-causing bacteria, leaving your breath feeling cleaner and more pleasant. So after brushing and flossing, consider sipping on a cup of green tea to give your oral health an extra boost. Your teeth and gums will thank you. The quest for longevity has captivated humankind for centuries. While there's no magic elixir for eternal life, there are certain lifestyle choices and dietary habits that can contribute to a longer, healthier lifespan. And guess what? Green tea has earned its place among these longevity-boosting practices. Studies have linked green tea consumption to a reduced risk of chronic diseases and an overall improvement in health and well-being, ultimately contributing to a longer life. The abundance of antioxidants in green tea plays a crucial role in its longevity-promoting effects. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two major drivers of aging and age-related diseases. By protecting your cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, green tea helps pave the way for a longer, healthier life. While genetics and other factors play a role in longevity, incorporating green tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful step towards living a longer, more vibrant life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. From boosting brain function to supporting weight management and even promoting longevity, the health benefits of green tea are truly remarkable. So why wait? Brew yourself a cup of green tea and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video.